Hey, this is Keith with Tirestickers, and I'm here today to walk you through the installation process for our do-it-yourself permanent tire lettering product available at a store near you. So let's get started. Now I've already picked up my kit from the store. I'm spelling the word tire stickers, so I laid out one tire's worth on the table. But keep in mind, each kit comes with 4 letters, one for each tire, as well as a transfer film for easy installation. Before applying any of the decals, we need to ensure we thoroughly clean the tire. To do that, I'm going to use acetone to remove all of the dirt and oil from the surface. It's absolutely necessary to have a clean tire for a permanent bond. Next, I'm going to take my first letter and place it face down on the transfer film. Then I'm going to apply our flexsim adhesive to the back side of the letter. Keep in mind, only a thin layer is needed. So use the nozzle tip to spread the glue evenly across the back side. And then we're ready to stick it to the tire. Place the letter in the center of the sidewall. Then, using your fingertips, apply even pressure for at least 30 seconds until the letter is fully bonded. Then carefully peel off the film and repeat with each letter. Here's a pro tip for quick installation. You can use clear packing tape to apply multiple letters at once. First, you need to take the tape and place it onto the tire for registration line. Then you can apply multiple letters at once using the line for reference. After I've applied all my letters, I'm going to do a quick check just to make sure all of them are stuck properly. If not, I'm going to add a little bit more glue and hold for another 30 seconds. Now that the installation is complete, we're going to wait an hour, let it fully cure, then we're ready to roll. For more information and questions, check out the link below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new look.